So what is up guys, welcome to HED Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, you saw the title and thumbnail of today's video and that says the latest news regarding iPhone SE2. Well, what is that news? Well, this is regarding the unexpected move by Apple that Apple is going to be putting its premium function which is going to be opting in the 2020 iPhones, but they want to implement with the iPhone SE2. So what is exactly this technology and guys, what is really changing? So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing about this topic. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, we all want the iPhone SE to happen and the current circumstances as well look the same. Again, like Apple is going to be starting the iPhone SE's full production in the month of January, and in March we are supposedly going to be seeing its launch. So again, we all know that it is going to be a great device and the pricing is going to be $399. But guys, there are few changes which I want to tell in today's video. First of all is the antenna technology. Well, what antenna technology Apple is opting for? Well, it was first planned by Apple to implement this technology with the 2020 iPhone lineup. With the iPhone 2020 iPhone lineup, Apple was going to be putting the Ncp Antenna Technology. Well, the LCP stands for Liquid Crystal Polymer Antenna Technology. That's another, as the name suggests, like liquid crystal polymer. So it is going to be a liquid crystal polymer antenna technology which will be used for greater enhancements in the connectivity department, and also with the 2020 iPhones you are going to be getting the access to 5G modem. Again, Apple is opting for the X55 modem by Qualcomm, and so it's good to see that Apple wants to implement 5G in 2020 iPhones. But with the iPhone SE2, okay, like iPhone SE2 should be or is a budget and iPhone, and there is no way that Apple is going to be planning to put 5G in it. But like Apple is taking the bigger move to implement another brand new antenna technology behind this smartphone, which will not just make the 4G more smoother, but also it will solve the range problem. Okay, the iPhone SE kind of has like the current iPhone SE has like 4 lines of antenna or the max amount of signal. But if Apple is going to be developing that a lot with the LCP technology, it is good to see. Again, like what I want to say that Apple never does like this, taking premium features first, implementing those in a budget and iPhone, and then implementing those in a much more expensive flagship. So that's good to see from Apple. And now let me discuss something about its internals. Okay, Apple's internal, the logic board till the iPhone 8 Plus, the logic board is a vertical column in the corner. This side is on the left hand side there is a battery, and on the right hand side there is a logic board. And nowadays also the thing is very similar, but nowadays there is a L-shaped battery and a small little logic board which is a dual layer PCB process. So it is expected that Apple is opting for the same type of motherboard technology, and they are going to be innovating dual PCBs in a single motherboard. So it's great to see by Apple like two PCBs getting combined with each other. Again, Apple is opting for the A13 Bionic chip, which consumes less powers and gives the much greater desired output, and that also needs a similar display technology and the logic board technology. And now let me come to the display. Well, Apple has ordered the display from LG, the LCD display, the LCD Retina. The same is found in the iPhone 8 you're going to be getting with the iPhone SE2, but it's good to see by Apple. So guys, in today's video I just wanted to convey a few facts that Apple is opting for another brand new antenna technology, and Apple is opting for a dual layer PCB technology for the logic board, and that's great to see that we are getting an improved version of what we expected. It's always great to see something better, and let me tell you, this leaks and everything might be not futuristic, but at the end which product Apple will introduce, that will be way more better, and it will really make, it will appeal to people's mind, and they will also find it or consider buying it. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and hope you have liked today's video. If you like today's video, don't forget to give this video a like, as it motivates me a lot, and so I will provide you the latest updates from Apple ecosystem. So if you have liked today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,